Stop scrolling for a second because this AI tool actually surprised me. Hello beautiful people, I hope this video finds you well. I've tested a lot of AI tools lately, but this one is different. In this video, I'm going to show you Manus AI, one of the most powerful AI tools I've tried recently. And I'll be honest with you, 3 new upgrades genuinely blew my mind. So let me walk you through each one. First upgrade, Manus 1.6 Max. This is their most powerful agent yet. The difference I noticed immediately is that it handles complex tasks in one shot without you having to babysit it. What I used it for, I gave it a full research task, multiple steps, multiple sources, and I just walked away, came back to a clean, organized report ready to use. No reprompting, no follow-up. That alone dramatically improves how much I can get done every week. Second upgrade, mobile development. You can now describe an app you want and Manus builds it for you end to end. I tested this myself. I typed what I wanted and it handled the entire development process. No coding, no developer, nothing. If you've ever had an app idea but had no idea how to build it, this is literally what you've been waiting for. Third upgrade, design view. This is their new interactive image creation tool built right inside the platform. I used it for content visuals. You describe what you want, you can tweak it directly, and it's done. It significantly saves time on my content workflow. So 3 things: smarter agent that actually finishes the job, a mobile app builder, and built-in design tools all in one place. Right now you can get 1,000 free credits using my link in the description. Click the link for 1,000 credits. Go try it yourself and let me know in the comments what you end up building with it. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I share new online growth methods every single week, including AI tools, business ideas, marketing strategies, and smart ways to grow faster online. So if you want to stay ahead and discover what actually works, make sure you subscribe because this channel is built to help you grow faster.